Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Today we will talk about photographer. If you are a professional photography and you share your photos on Facebook or on your blog, it's time to earn a monthly return of up to $1,000 if your photos are very amazing or very special and they get a lot of likes on Facebook, let's say. All what you need to do is registering a new account at shutterstock.com. After creating your account, you need to activate it using your email, then select the type of files that you want to share on this account. Now let's look at the website that we are talking about. It's called shutterstock.com. As you can see here, shutterstock.com. This is the joining page. Let's refresh it. Now let's fill the information. Enter your email, your password, then click I certify. Okay. Click on next to create your account. Okay. It's taking some time. Let's close this page. Okay, check your email to verify your account. Now let's see our email address. Okay, that's the new email address. Just click here to verify your account and you will be good to go. Next, it will ask you, or the site will ask you to fill your personal information. Let's choose the country. Okay. Okay, that's it. Let me fill my phone number and then click next and get back. Okay, now you need to upload your identification so you can start earning. You need to scan and place your ID card or your national card, any card that proves your identity in full size. They will review it and get back to you to make sure that the information in the card matches the information in your address. After this, it will take time. After this, the site will ask you to upload a photocopy of your identity card or passport. It has a picture of you, your name and your country, and this is to confirm the registration process. Once you upload your identification, you can start uploading your own images with your own camera, but know that the site accepts images that are no less than 4 megapixel resolution and have a good lighting. The site will charge you for every sale of one of your photos. You can also publish your photos on istockphoto.com. Let's see the other website, which is istockphoto.com. As you can see, you can also go to this website, sign up and start publishing your own photos that are ready on your phone that can make you a great deal of money. That's it for using your photography skills to make money. These two websites will pay you while you sleep, so I really recommend signing up here and start selling your photos. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Money Makers Team.